Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into a simple yet highly effective trading strategy using just 3 moving averages. This approach will help you understand market movements and teach you how to spot profitable entry points and winning trade patterns. If you're looking to sharpen your trading skills and learn how to capture those perfect setups, you're in the right place, and you were also right place. This is my Telegram channel. Check this, but now let's get trade. Alright friends, let's trade. Let me tell you about this exciting strategy. Today we will be trading on 1 minute candle with a 1 minute trade time, as usual. And we'll set up 3 moving average lines. Now I'll show you how to set them up. First, we pick the EMA type and period will set up for 5. And the second line is also set to EMA and change the style. The period will be 15, and we'll also change the style up to your preference. The short one is also EMA, but the period of 30. And the important thing is that we can easily squeezing these lines. Let's change the styles with colors, with pixels, how you like. Okay. Now let me explain the strategy. So first, we don't need a strong trend, but we need a trend that isn't sideways. This is the important part. The first thing, we need to find candle that crosses either from top to bottom or from bottom to top and falls into the corridor between the 2 moving average lines. That's the first rule. The second rule I will show you now with an example. Let me pick the good example for you. For example, this one isn't quite right. I'll try to find the entry point based on this strategy. So the crossover is above the upper moving average line, and then the second candle worked out. So this strategy works like this. The first candle crosses into the moving average corridor, like here at the green one. The second candle goes in the opposite direction, this orange one. After that, we must see a small pullback candle like this new green, if you can see. So the first 2 candles are usually about the same size, and now we see a small pullback candle. Is it not strong? It moves back and forth, usually with long wicks. It's an intermediate candle. So as soon as we see it, we open the trade in the same direction at the second candle. In this case, on this pair, it will be the orange candle. And so to put it simply, the first green candle touches or breaks through the moving average corridor between the 2 lines, and the second candle is opposite. As you can see, the short one is questionable and we skip it, and now we open a trade with downward position. Sell, right? As you can see, let's go. It's usually the same color as the first candle. It's easy to remember. So 1 candle, 2 candle, half candle, and other candle is straight. The pullback is very important. Just skip it. But also check that this pattern is winning pattern, guys. As you can see, it's worked well. It may not be very clear in this trade, but I'll try to find now some more obvious example. Anyway, the winner is good, the profit is good. Let's go next. Let's see. Now we could really good trend reversal, but now I want to show you something more clear about this strategy. You can see that this orange candle breakthrough But if this second candle will be green, no, I'm not sure about this. And this pattern, I want to show you something more clear. He has also not. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good. Yeah, as you can see, the first candle is orange, second one is green, and now we need to wait for pullback. Yeah, this is kind of pattern what we're looking for, as you can see. The first candle crossed the line, after this, the another green candle. Yeah, this is something what we're looking for. But you remember the pattern, you remember the rule, that after this green candle, we're waiting for a pullback candle. This is important. The small one, the body of this candle is supposed to be smaller than other candles. Remember this. It will give you some money, I promise. But yeah, like when every strategy, start with a demo, maybe with a small amount to try it, because you need more and more sessions to see these patterns. Okay, anyway, I want to open my trade here, because as you can see, the pattern is work. We're just waiting for this pullback candle now. And after this, I was supposed to open during the strategy buy position. And choosing the pair is always the key. And patience is always the key, as you know. Okay, for me, this trade is really clear. I want to open a trade with the direction of the second candle using this amazing strategy. It's very important not to rush, wait and wait for the pullback, for the good pattern, for the good situation, guys. This is the trading. Sober, clever, smart. Gotcha. It's a good win. Second trade in profit. Yeah. My friends, let's go to another pair. For more patterns, for more strategies, of course, watch my more videos and check my Telegram channel. But now I want to find some good trade to show you another example. I'm not sure about this one. But look. Let's check this candle, this orange candle. You see that it's actually break out 3 moving average zones. It can work if this new candle will be green. Guys, I will think that this a good deal. Let's wait. Patient. We will observe this candle, because it looks very much like a good situation to open a trade. Again, this first candle touch 1, 2, 3 lines. It's already a good signal. And now we just look for our pattern, the green candle form. It's supposed to be almost the same size like our first orange. And after this, we will wait also for pullback. Okay, it's not that big, but if pullback is small, I will open a trade with buy position with the same color like this second green candle. If it's not, we'll just go to the next pair. Let's see. So basically it looks like this. I don't know. I will try to draw it on the screen for you. So in this case, it's like a W. Sometimes it's like an M, if you know what I mean. Okay, look at this pullback. You see, that's something what we're looking for. The candle very weak. It's in this case, it even doesn't matter. It's orange or green. I just opened the buy position. For me, it's very clear. And this is how it's working, this strategy. Remember, if you see that something not going well with this pair, with your scenario, just leave the pair and go to the next one and find a clear one. Patience. Don't rush. You see? Looks like this strategy work. Wow, that's great. That's great. Another profit. Let me find another pair for you. The most difficult part of this strategy is picking the right pair patterns and right pair, as usual. Okay. Here, as you can see, that we see the breakout, orange breakout. Oh wow! Actually, you see, the thing is that I already see this pattern. As you can see, it was green, which touched the line, and after this breakout, or not. This looks good. This looks good. Yes. So you see the orange already made the breakout. After this, we see this middle candle. So I think it's a good time to open a trade. What do you think? Leave the comments. If it's right or not. This one for 2000, it's a good trade. I hope you understand what I mean. Let's wait. 2000 is a normal money. I don't want to risk it with cheap patterns. It seems like a good deal, but yeah, you see, we don't have any good signal finally. As you can see, miss this kind of stuff. Let's find a clear one. Let's find a good one. More obvious situation. That's something what really will help us. Of course, it's not this one. But wait. Look here. We see, for example, we see this orange candle. It just broke out. And now we see the green one forming. Wow. Actually, it can be a good trade. If just this green will be strong. But let's go next. I want just clear, obvious trading. 2000 hurts my profit for today. I want to make it. Patient. Let's wait here. Let's wait. By the way, if you look a little earlier, we already see these two candles, and after this, it's actually our classic pattern. So, I think on this candle you see orange, after this green, after this small, and let's go. It's a good, yeah. This is how this strategy also work actually. If you can see the pattern, just open a trade. As I can say before, that you need a couple of sessions for your eyes to see the patterns and open at the right time. You see, the orange one touch the line, after this green, and after this small one, and after this we go to the trade. Yes, I think it's enough examples. So that's all for today's strategy with the moving averages, 3 moving averages. I hope you now have a clear understanding on how to use this powerful tool to find great trading opportunities, to sharpen your strategies, your trading, more tips, insights, and live tradings. It's all in my Telegram channel. Don't forget to put the like, subscribe, leave the most beautiful comments, and see you in the next video. Happy trading and enjoy your day. Peace, peace.